So now that we know who is eligible for a VA loan, now we want to know what are the benefits. Why bother? Well, the number one benefit of a VA loan is the 0% down. No lie, that's pretty awesome. To be able to buy a house with no money out of pocket for a down payment is pretty sweet. Now, again, you'll still have closing costs, but that's pretty darn good. Now, the other neat feature about a VA loan that you may not realize is even if you are planning on putting money down, let's say you know you qualify for a conventional loan, you're not sure if VA is the right way to go for you, but if you run a scenario and you compare the two, a VA loan might even come in less expensive than a conventional loan because there's no mortgage insurance. You may have to pay a funding fee, but if you are willing to put 3% down anyway, you can usually pay the funding fee up front out of pocket, so it's not added into your loan amount. And since you don't have mortgage insurance, that loan amount, that payment, is going to be so much more manageable. Okay? So there's a lot of reasons and benefits for using a VA loan other than just the 0% down. For example, it's a really great option to increase your buying power. Why do I say that? Well, again, compared to a conventional loan, your buying power can be higher. There is no maximum debt to income ratio. What they're looking at is your residual income, so you do still have to qualify. So talk to your lender about that, but your buying power is going to be higher. So 0% down potentially, or minimum, whatever you want to put down, no MI, and you have a higher buying power, which means you can buy more house that has more of what you need. Everything, remember, buying a house, everything we need and as many wants as possible. Okay? Wants are not that important, right? The needs, you got to focus on your needs. And if you're not getting everything you need in a home, maybe that little bump in the buying power will help you get the house that has everything you need and as many wants as possible. So those are just some of the key benefits of going with a VA loan. Another benefit is, and it's kind of unknown, or not unknown, I would probably say it's discussed in our industry, is whether or not you can have 2 VA loans at once. Talk to your lender about this if you already currently own a home with a VA using your VA benefit. Okay, we have to check to see how much of your benefit is left to be able to potentially use it again on another home. That's maybe a second home. So think about that. Always reach out to your lending professional so that you can get the right answer. Okay, that is key. And never disregard the program just because it sounds like, oh, it's just for people with low credit. No, it's not. You earned it. You earned the right to use the VA loan by serving our country and sacrificing time away from family, things like that. You earned it. Use it.